Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a truly dazzling project, a retro-inspired, Blinkenlight-enhanced NAS server. It's all about bringing back that glorious, nostalgic glow of old mainframes, but with a modern twist. Get ready to be amazed!
Whoa, Blinkenlights? Sounds intense. Is this some kind of high-powered, energy-guzzling monstrosity? I'm picturing something straight out of a 1980s sci-fi movie.
Not at all. It's surprisingly efficient. The whole setup, including the Raspberry Pi 4, sips a mere 6.5 watts. The magic lies in the design. Thin, black PCBs with 128 reverse LEDs shining through. Think elegant, not extravagant.
So it's all about aesthetics then? A pretty face on a powerful machine? What's the technical side of this beauty?
Oh, there's plenty of tech. The author cleverly uses a PIC16F1782 microcontroller. A bit of a throwback, but perfect for this project. He had a pile of them lying around, which is always a good starting point for a project, right? He even explains how he avoids using through-hole components for a cleaner look.
Clever, but 128 LEDs, that's a lot of pins. How does he manage that with a limited number of GPIOs on the PIC?
Excellent question. He uses 74 HC595 shift registers to expand the output capabilities. A simple, cost-effective solution. Those chips are only 9 cents each. He could have used a 44-pin PIC, but where's the fun in that? It's all about the challenge.
I see. So it's a combination of clever resource management and a dash of retro gaming spirit. But how does the whole thing actually work? I'm curious about the control mechanism.
Ah, yes. The control is via a serial port. He uses an FT232RL adapter to connect to a Raspberry Pi USB port. The communication protocol is quite elegant. \AX_RI equals ZZZZ, where AX is the board address, RI is the register, and ZZZZ is the 16-bit data, so you can control each LED individually, creating various patterns.
That's incredibly detailed control. And what happens if there's no serial data? Does it just sit there, dark and lifeless?
Not at all. After a 30-second timeout, it switches to a random pattern, using the board's address to create unique displays for each panel. It's a nice touch, adding a bit of unpredictable flair.
So it's not just static lights, it's a dynamic display. Very cool. But what about the cost? I'm guessing this wasn't a cheap project.
Surprisingly, the manufacturing cost of 5 panels was only around $119. The author initially planned to sell them, but decided to share the design for free, along with the schematic, PCB files, and C code on OSHW Lab. He even included an STM32 version of the PCB, though he admits he didn't build it himself. A truly generous gesture.
That's amazing. Open source hardware at its finest. It's a testament to the power of community and sharing knowledge. This project is not only technically impressive, but also a great example of collaborative innovation. I'm definitely inspired to try this myself.
Absolutely. It's a fantastic blend of hardware and software, nostalgia, and innovation. And the best part? It's all about the Blinkenlights. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of retro-inspired server bling. Have a great day. And don't forget to check out the links in the show notes.
Bye-bye.